Are you a landlord? Is your tenant in breach of contract? Breach of contract is grounds for eviction, but this may depend on the circumstances. Often the violation can be resolved without going to court, and we can help settle your dispute. Simply sign up to our app and we will connect you to a dedicated lawyer in your state. At a minimum, your lawyer will consult with you and review your lease agreement, advise on your approach, and if appropriate, draft a formal notice. Serious breaches of contract warrant eviction, but proper notice must be given along with time to rectify violations. Follow procedure precisely because there are protections in place for the tenant. Consulting a lawyer can help ensure you stay within the law and avoid potential pitfalls. If you go to court, your membership provides a legal defense at a 25% discount on your lawyer's rate. Hiring a lawyer may sound expensive, but with our mobile app and for less than $1 a day, we open the door to experienced lawyers and the justice system. A lawyer can be the key to a happy home. Take 5 minutes to sign up and join the millions we already empower across North America. LegalShield. Find your justice.